We will start with DHCP, automatic IP from ISP. This is the easiest. Your ISP's router hands out IP addresses automatically. So most of the time your ISP will do his own configuration on the router they came with. Now, you as the owner of the Mikrotik, you will take internet via the ports on the ISP's router. Router can be Huawei or Tenda router. So any of the LAN ports and directly connect to your Mikrotik. Step 1, make sure your ISP cable is plugged into Ether 1 from one of the LAN ports on your ISP's router. The mode here will be router. The port here will be Ether 1. Address, choose automatic and then click apply. That is it. Your Mikrotik should be getting internet. Most of the time, if it's a new Mikrotik, it will be already in automatic configuration. As long as you give it internet via port 1, you will get internet without doing any configuration or touching anything. Method 2 is PPPoE. Some ISPs use PPPoE. You'll know if you have this because your ISP will give you a username and a password. You will use the same procedure. Go to Quickset, mode is router, port is Ether 1, and address acquisition is PPPoE. Enter PPPoE user. For our case, since it's a dummy, we will enter user as test and then password as test. Then click apply. If the details are correct, you will be connected to internet. So, how do you know your Mikrotik is actually getting internet? Click new terminal here and type ping 8.8.8.8 and click enter. Your Mikrotik will try reaching Google DNS servers, and if it successfully reaches it, the replies will look as shown here. If you get anything else from this, that means your Mikrotik doesn't have internet. Now, test if your computer can reach the internet through the Mikrotik. On your computer, open a browser and try to visit any website, google.com or whatever. If it loads, congratulations, you've just set up your Mikrotik from scratch. Okay, but what if things didn't work? What if you're staring at a screen that says no internet? So here we will go straight to two major issues, and we will use the mode automatic. This will give you a bearing on troubleshooting other modes. In your Winbox, click new terminal. If the reply says no, root to host, the most probable cause are the following. First, is the cable actually plugged into port 1? Sounds dumb, but please double check. Second, is there a link light? Look at the physical port on your Mikrotik. There should be a little LED lit up. No light means the cable isn't connected properly, or the cable might be bad, or the port is even faulty. Next is when you ping and the results are timeout. As you can see here, it means everything has been connected successfully, but either your ISP doesn't have internet, or 2, there is no connection from your ISP router to their servers. Meaning, check if anything on your ISP side are well connected, or 3, have entered wrong details in your Quickset configuration. Please double check. And that's it. You just went from 0 to having a fully functional Mikrotik router with internet access. Thank you for watching and happy networking.